Okay, some basic number work. First of all, sharing in a given ratio. Bill and Ben share £40 in the ratio of 2 to 3. That means for every £2 Bill has, Ben has £3. So we can think about this as splitting it up in the £40 up into 5 parts. So 5 parts equals 40. If 5 parts equals 40, then 1 part equals 40 divided by 5, which is £8. Bill gets 2 parts, so he gets £16, and Ben, he gets 3 parts, so he gets £24. If you add them together, you can check that they equal 40, and you'll know that they're correct. The second thing I want to check is that you can find a fraction of a quantity. So here we're finding 3/5 of 55. Okay, so all we need to do then is find 1/5 by dividing by 5. So 55 divided by 5 is 11. And then, once we know 1/5, times it by 3 to find the 3/5. So 11 times 3 is 33. Quick way to remember it is to divide by the bottom times by the top. So divide by 5 times by 3. And the final piece is writing fractions as percentages. So here we've got some fractions and we're going to make them into percentages. We need them out of 100. And all we need to do is use equivalent fractions. So because we know 20 times 5 is 100, we do 6 times 5 to get 30, and that gives us 30%. This one's a little bit more difficult because there's nothing you can times 70 by to get 100 easily. So what we're going to do is divide down to a number like 10 and then times back up. So here 70 divided by 7 is 10, so 28 divided by 7 is 4. And then we're going to use equivalent fractions to go from tenths to hundreds. So 10 times 10 is 100, 4 times 10 is 40, so our final answer is 40%.